Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, sometimes it's 5 minutes, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. You never know, right? Now, back in the day, more than 14 years ago, Ken and I started the Stamps of Life. And I'm just giving you a little background on this whole thing. So I told Ken, you know what? I could make a card in 30 seconds. And he's like, no, you can't. I said, yeah, I totally could. And he's like, okay, I'm going to videotape you and I'm going to time you. So I need you to go back in time, if you've never done it, and watch that first video. I'll be honest, I look a lot different 14 years ago, come on, but it's kind of funny. So go watch it if you've never watched it. It'll give you a little pick-me-up laugh, to say the least. At least you could, I just hope you laugh with me and not at me. But anyway, either way, it's worth it. I'm going to make a card today and Ken will time me. I have out in front of me, and I know you can't really see it on camera, I have in front of me the leftovers from our current card kit. I just finished that video. So I said, okay, I'm just going to leave all those colors there. I'm not going to really try to like dig stuff up. We just also released our oval flip it, so I figure I'll probably use that. I have some of the embellishments left over from the kit club. You never know what's going to happen. I never know what's going to happen. I kind of tried it like right before he started. I'm like, what color should I use? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see. You never know. Never know. So Ken, first of all, I'm going to grab the background die, right? Okay. Ken, are you ready to start the time? Hang on. Let me check this. Yes, I can use that cutting pad. Okay. Ken, are you ready to start the time?
Yes.
Thank you. Get everything as ready as I can. On your marks, get set, start the time. Dun, 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 dun. First, we're going to trim this down, and we're going over to our spellbinders. We're going to grab this down a little bit at an angle. We're going to run this through. This is the base to the flip it, and we're going to run that through. So this razzleberry will be my base to my card. So I'm going to fold it in half, take the top, fold it in the back. Now I need to do some layering dies. And where's my pattern paper pad? Oh, ooh, here we go. Let's grab some, oh goodness, oh goodness, oh goodness. Ooh, I like this one. Wait, maybe I don't. Hang on. Let's use this one. Okay, so we're going to grab this. This is our little butterflies, and I am going to lay both of, oops, don't lay them the wrong way. Don't lay them upside down. Then you're going to get upside down butterflies. So we're going to run this through. Just like that. Oh, I guess I could have used my other machine here. Okay, so we're going to grab that. Going to run those through. So now I'm going to have some butterflies to decorate that little guy. And we don't need the die. The die fell on the ground, but who cares? And we're grabbing this, grabbing this, grabbing this. And so let's add this to our card base. Whoops. There we go. And I just noticed something. The back of this card stock is really pretty. I'm going to flip this and do this on the other side. What? I know, check it out. So we're going to add this. There we go. And we're going to add this. Change my mind mid card. There we go. Boom. Now, I want to add the cute little oval that's in here. What color, what color? Ooh, I see a lot of yellow. Do you see a lot of yellow in here that's not getting pulled into the rest of the card? Let's grab, I could do a solid, ooh, let's do, well, I don't know, hang on. Do I have a solid yellow? I don't think I do. Let's get regular yellow over here. So let's grab this. Let's run this through really quick. I just need a little bit, so I'm just going to grab this like right here, trim that, flip this over, get my die on there. There we go. Run this through. Oh gosh, I'm talking too much. Sometimes I talk too much, you guys. Okay. No, everybody's all, no kidding. Yes, Stephanie, we know you talk a lot. And then we're going to grab this. We are going to add adhesive to this. And what we're going to do is, ooh, look how cute that is. Oh, we should have done 2 of those. Oh, hang on. Let me do another one really quick. Let's grab this, do the same thing. And I'm trying to think, oh, I have some butterfly stamps. So I got my butterfly stamps. Oh, I know what I want to do for the front. I want to match the butterflies. That's going to be on the inside. I want to match the butterflies. Oh, let's get the dies out because I betcha I can do this. So watch this. So we're going to get, whoops, the cutting piece. Ooh, oh, that's perfect right there. So let's grab that one out and we're going to die cut that one. So let's get the shadow, lay that down right there. We're going to use a little bit of adhesive on it so it doesn't move. Take an extra second. This time's worth it. and press that. Oh, that's not sticky enough. Turn it. Sometimes when you use these too often, they're not sticky enough. There we go. Stay, 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 stay. If you talk to it, it helps. Stay, 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 stay. There we go. We're going to run that through. Ooh. There we go. Oh, gosh. It's good I can't see the timer, otherwise I'd be freaking out more. And we're going to peel that up. Now, I really would love some foam tape on this, but if I can't find it fast enough, oh, I can. I like foam squares. Okay, so let's grab this. Oops, smaller piece. Grab that, peel this up, add this on the back. There we go. Add this on the back, peel this up. Now, lay that. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, my word. Are you kidding? That's beautiful. Now, we're going to turn this over, and we're going to find some stamps. Oh, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Ken, you better be getting ready with that thing. And I'm just going to grab any ink pad. I don't even know what. This is a finesse one. You better get ready. And we're going to, I usually do it on scrap first, but we're going crazy. We're going to do it for real here. Oh, I hope it's good. Yes. It's a very fine font. And we're going to add this to our card. And then, okay, I got to do my little adhesive on, my stamp on the back. This is a personalized stamp. I thought I had one right here. I literally thought I had one right here. Darn it. Oh, okay, here's one. I don't even know what it says, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're going to ink this up. We're going to stamp this. A handmade card means I really care. I spent 5 hours making this card. That is so true. One more thing. We need one more thing. Hang on. We need one more thing. Hang on. Oh, we got some of this. Let's see. Let's see where we can add this. Oh my gosh, it's going right there. Okay, hang on. Get ready, Ken, because as soon as I drop this down, it's done. Okay, stop. Yes. I didn't hear the little beep. Okay, I like to hear that little beep. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's clean up a little bit so we can see. We have all my butterflies everywhere, by the way, right? That happens. So let's kind of clean those up a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Move that over here. Don't lose this die. Look, I almost lost a die over there. I got to bring that back over here. Okay, where are we? Let's clean this up. Now, these butterflies all go with this, so I'm literally putting it in here now so I have them for next time, right? I need those for next time. So why would I put them with the pad, right? I put them with the butterflies because that's what cuts them out. Oh, found a stamp. Okay, Ken. Well, first I got to show the card because the card is pretty amazing, especially for a flip it card. Watch this. Here we go. Here's our card. Look how cute our little butterfly. She's popped up, you guys. She's popped up. Open it up. Wishing you a day filled with butterflies and smiles. Isn't that cute? Turn it over. A handmade card means I really care. I spent 5 hours on this card. Hugs, Stephanie. We sell personalized stamps on our website. You can make your own. Okay, Kenny. What's the damage? I don't know if I'm surprised or happy. I'm kind of both. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Not bad. Not bad at all, right? Boom. Flip it cards, when you need a fast card, when you need to beat the mailman or the postal worker to your mailbox, flip it cards are the way to go. Because this is the wow factor right here, right? Wow, wow, wow. Okay, 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Not bad. I'll take it all day long because I'm pretty impressed with this card. My friends, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Thank you very much. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click the subscribe button so you get notified when we release new videos and when we go live. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes. Because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm there with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You feel my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on.
Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.